Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Coach. In this video I am going to tell you how to install Juniper SRX in VMware. Juniper SRX can be installed on physical box, Juniper box, and also we can install on virtual machine like VMware. So you can see I have already installed here. So I will show you from scratch how to install step by steps how. Okay, so you can see I have installed Juniper SRX in my virtual box. So I will delete it and will show you from scratch how to install it, how to download and how to install it. Okay, so friends, you can see I have installed in Juniper. You can see this is my SRX here. Okay, so I will delete it here. Now I'm going to delete this, remove. Okay, I have removed it. So friends, first of all let me show you how to download SRX virtual image. So we have to type here Juniper SRX download. Okay, go to software.juniper.net and here we have to type here VSRX. Okay, virtual SRX. Okay, now we have to select here version, which version we have to install. I am going to install 19.2 here, this image 19.2 R1. Okay, I'm going to download here. So you can see this is over file I am going to download. Okay, it's 4 GB. So you need your Juniper credential to download it. Okay, you have to agree that and click here proceed to download. Click here to download. Now you can see it's starting downloading. So friends, you have seen how to download. So I have already downloaded this image. Okay, so let's start here. So now we have to double click on it to start, or we have to open with VMware workstation. Okay, just select here and now we have to accept its term and condition. Now click on next. Host name, virtual machine name here. So friends, it's so we have to provide path here, installation path, VM, and create SRX. Click on OK. So now click on next. Now it will automatically assign RAMs and hard disk size. So now it's importing. Okay, after import it will be start installation. Okay, so friend, now you can see virtual machine created here. Now we have to power on to start installation here. So just click here to power on this virtual machine. Okay, now it's started, installation is started here. It will take some time, approx 15 to 20 minutes to complete this installation. Okay, now friends, you can see we have successfully installed here. Now we can log in with root, username, root, and it will prompt here. Now we can set here. Now we have to type here CLI for operational mode. Okay, so now for configuration mode we have to type here configuration mode, configure. So first of all we have to set here root password here, set system root authentication plain text password. Okay, press enter. Now type your password here. Now friend, we can create user here. Now we have to set username like admin, set system login user admin class super user, authentication, plain text, password. Now we have to put password here for admin user. Okay, now commit. Now you can provide here host name, set system host name, tech coach. Okay, after a commit, exit from running mode, exit from configure mode. Now type here show configuration display set. So you can see we have provided the host name. Okay, etc. Let me show you. We have a 3 interface here. Okay, we have a 3 interface. First interface, it's a management interface, and other 2 interface we can set here 1, 2. We can set here for different zone. Okay, you can see FXP0. We can provide here management interface IP address. So go to configuration mode, configure. Now we have to provide management interface IP address. Set interface FXP0 unit 0 family inet address 192.168.100.110. okay, /24. Now commit. Now let's try to access from CLI or GUI. Okay, this is my SRX. Yes, okay, I'm able to access from here from CLI. Let's try from GUI. If I able to access HTTPS 192.168.100.110. Yes, I'm able to access from here. Now type username and password, then click on login. So now you can see we have successfully logged in JWeb GUI, Juniper SRX GUI. This is my host name, this is my serial number. Okay, so if you are new in SRX, so let me show you how to configure here policy. You can create security service, we can create policy here, net policy we can create from here, VPN we can create from here. Okay, so friends, in this video you have seen how to install Juniper SRX and basic configuration. In next coming video we'll see interface configuration, how to provide IP on interfaces, how to configure security policies, how to configure NAT, how to configure IPsec VPN. We'll see also cluster configuration, HA configuration in Juniper SRX. So friend, please subscribe this channel to get notification for upcoming video. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.